Hello YouTube, today I'm going to do a review on the Cyborg V5 gaming keyboard. Now this is the box that you can actually see on here, which is the box it came in. Also, by looking at this, you can also see that the keys on the keyboard also light up. So I'm going to show you this actual beast, which is on my desk right now. I got this keyboard a while back when I first got my computer, and it's a very good keyboard. It's not really any different to any other keyboard except for the fact that the lights actually light up, which can be adjusted by pushing this button here. And I'll just show you. That makes it dimmer, that turns it off, full brightness, dimmer, turned off. I generally keep the lights on all the time, even during the day, because you can still see the effect anyway. So, and there's not really much to say about this keyboard other than the fact that it's like a normal keyboard. I only bought it because of the lights inside the keyboard, and yeah, it's a really nice keyboard. So if you're thinking of getting one, I highly recommend you do, because these are great for anything that you want to do on the internet or any gaming as well. So yeah, that's been the review on the Cyborg version 5 keyboards, and I hope you enjoyed this video. Please rate and subscribe, and I will see you in my next video.